So, for those of you who don't know, there's a bird that's usually supposed to be in this cage, and he's hiding somewhere. So, let's go look for him around the house with this fairly zoomed in lens. So, he does this a lot. There's another bird over there. Last time he hid, let's see, he went from his cage over to here, and he was found under there, hiding. This time, let's go over here and let's see where he went. Oh, is that a bird noise that I hear? Who's this fellow? Who is this fellow in the closet? How did he get in the closet? Hey? What are you doing in there? That's a strange place for a bird to be hanging out.